with Saratoga Springs.
Saratoga Springs Resort. So this is the connecting door. I'm pretty sure there's probably like a 1-bedroom behind here. I am in a deluxe studio. So I have the, you know, the setup with the sink, the microwave, and the refrigerator, which I can't get open. There we go. So that's good. I always like a good refrigerator door. This is the foyer. Hello. The shower and the toilet. Let's take a look. Oh, fancy. Dun, 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 dun. Really close to the Disney Springs area. In fact, there is the balloon. I don't know. I think I can get out this as usual. I have a hard time figuring out the locks. No, I locked it. All right, let's see. So like this. Oh, awesome. Oh, nice. So yes, so I'm facing Disney Springs, which I'm gonna wander over there and get some food. All right, so this is a really nice room. Very, very clean, very, spick and span, that's for sure. I really do like the hardwood floors that they put in. It's much nicer. Anyway, all right. I'm off to unpack all my stuff, and then I'm gonna head out and get me some food. This resort reminds me a little bit of, I mean, the fact that there's so many buildings out here. Here's my building. This is Congress Park, if anyone's asking. But this room gives me Caribbean beach vibes. I hope I don't get lost. Okay, so those are the boats that he said to catch when I come back from Disney Springs, and it'll take me to the front of the park. I just wanted to take a quick video. How pretty! Yeah. It is super close. Headed over to Cook's. Could get Morimoto street food. super hungry though. Okay, ooh, fish, one big slice of fish and chips from Cook's, which is, you know, part of Raglan Road. But I can't start a Disney vacation without getting my fish and chips, of course. And then, of course, for dessert, I got the lemon meringue drizzle cake. So I'm gonna eat that and this, and then probably get ready for bed. I'm still on West Coast time, so I'm not super tired, but I will be tomorrow for sure if I don't get some sleep tonight, because I have a busy day tomorrow. Tomorrow is Epcot, and I want to do a lot of the Flower and Garden Festival stuff. I have never actually gone into their butterfly section, so I want to do that tomorrow, and I know it's gonna be super hot, so I'm charging my fan, my portable fan, and I got some water, and I'll get water when I get to the park as well. And I did, let's see, I did not unfortunately get a Guardians of the Galaxy what do you call it, time. So I may have to do standby, but tomorrow night is late night at Epcot, so I may be able to luck out and get it, you know, at a lower time, because I was seeing that today they were like 80 minutes and 75 minutes, and while I love that ride, I don't know if there's anything that I would wait more than like 30 minutes for. That I've already been on. Like, if I've never been on it, then yeah, of course I'll wait for it. But if I've already ridden it a couple of times, then I probably wouldn't wait that long for any ride. So we'll see what we get into tomorrow. And tonight, I'm just gonna try to exhaust myself, and I'll take you along tomorrow. All right, see you then. Bye.